Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make pants on Roblox mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to head on over to creator.roblox.com and sign into your account. From here, click on the three horizontal bars. Now we need to get back to Creator Hub. Go ahead and click onto Dashboard. Now once we're inside Dashboard, we want to go in and scroll across and click on Avatar Items. Now scroll down again and then scroll left to right here and then click onto classics. Need to make sure we're on classics here. Now from here, filters, want to go in and click on classic pants, scroll down again and now upload asset. So drag and drop media here if you want, or you can go ahead and upload that asset. So once you click onto that, give that asset a name. I'm just going to call this blue pants, like so. Obviously description is pants. You can make that a bit longer if you like. Now from here we need to go ahead and upload, so click on upload and then choose those pants or pants design from your photos and videos. So now I've just used this blue lines for this demonstration for these pants, and then from here go ahead and click on upload. It is 10 Robux to get that uploaded. I don't have enough of that at this point in time. Now once we've done that, we want to go ahead back and open up Roblox. Now from here we want to go ahead and click onto avatar, make sure to set on the right account. Now you're probably going to come into marketplace, so from here click on the customize tab, and now we need to go ahead and click on clothing, and then from here scroll left to right and then click onto classic pants. And now this is where your classic pants are gonna appear. You can't see mine because I didn't upload, I didn't have enough Robux.